Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the Business Skills 2 official syllabus, which is released by the TCS Elevate Wings team. So in the upcoming videos, we are launching a crash course on this also. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel so that we get motivation and continue to upload such videos. So let's get started. Business Skills 2 comprises of 3 units. The first unit is personal mastery, the second is problem solving skills, and the third is persuasion and influencing skills. From the first and the second units combinedly, they asked nearly 50% questions. And from the third unit itself, they asked 50%. So you know from which unit you have to study more and to practice the more number of questions from this unit. So moving forward with our first unit, personal mastery. We will be going through these topics only, and in the upcoming videos, we will see the details of these topics. So this is merely the syllabus. The first topic is result orientation. Whatever you do, you should focus on getting a result from that. Second point is ownership and accountability. You should take the full ownership and be accountable of your work. And the third is collaborative way of working. How to do the collaboration and what are the techniques. How to be a good team player. The next is deal with various stakeholders. You should know how to deal with the stakeholders involving in your projects. As Al said, the way we work in the development. Next is DevOps mindset, means development and the operation combinedly works together. So we have to see their techniques and the ways used in DevOps mindset. Next one is develop a consultative mindset. And then we have to study the stress management, how to manage the stress in the work culture. And the last point is continuous learning culture. You should always be continue to learn whatever is required. You should be updated with the current market. Now moving forward with our second unit, complex problem solving. In this, we have total 5 topics. So we have to master these topics. The very first is analytical and creative skills. You should first analyze the problem and add some creativity so that we reach to a solution. You should know how to frame the problem. And the third point is inventing the options. Fourth is holistic approach, the approach we use to solve the problem. And the last one is multidimensional approach. To the third in persuasion and influencing skills. This is the very important topic. So we have to master each and every topic from this unit. The very first is building blocks of trust, and the next is understanding persuasive techniques. Then you should know the principles of influence and the storytelling to influence. You know, when someone tells you the story, then there is highly chances that you will be influenced by the story. Then the point is building reciprocity. It means we give a less and in return we think of getting more. So give less and take more. Handling conflict, negotiating skills, which is also the most important skills. Customer conversation, how to deal with your clients. And the last one is interviewing skills. If you are taking the interview, then what are the factors you should analyze in a candidate. So from this unit, as I have mentioned, that they ask nearly 50% of the total question. So you should study very well this topic. Now moving to the exam pattern. The exam is organized by the TCS team in the TCS IN centers. This is the physically proctored assessment. Exam comprises of multiple choice questions and multiple select questions. Total number of questions would be 60 and the time duration is 90 minutes. Exam level is moderate. You can easily crack this exam. The exam level is moderate. You can easily crack this just by doing your logical thinking. You have to study each and every topic, then you can solve the question according to your thinking. So that's it for the video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay tuned for the crash course on business skills 2.